Hi guys, welcome to Niki the Art. I hope you're all keeping well. This is what I'm creating today. My canvas is an 18-inch square. My base shade is a mistint, just normal house paint, wall paint, low sheen, and it's a lovely, nice creamy colour. I'll tell you they're just showing the consistency. I've had to speed the video up because I do a lot of fiddling around at the end, and it's pretty boring to watch that, so it's not too fast so you can see what I'm actually doing. I'll tell you the actual colours when I put them down on the canvas, and then once I've put the swipe colour on, I'll put some music on and then come back to you later. My first colour down is Pebeo Iridescent Copper. Then I put down Mont Marte Metallic Gold. Not my favourite gold, but it's quite a nice gold if you just want a bit of hint of colour, but you don't see any gold in this one for some reason. I love the Deco-Art 24K gold, but it does tend to take over. That's the copper, the Pebeo Iridescent Copper. Then the Mont Marte Metallic Gold. And then after this, it's This Little Piggy, also known as TLPs for short, and that's a pigment from the Floetrol company. Absolutely beautiful colour. These pigments are just unbeatable, gorgeous. And this is Pebeo Dark Cobalt Violet Hue, which is an opaque colour, but doesn't show up a lot in the end result for some reason. I'm not really sure why, because I look a bit more copper. I look like I put a decent amount of the purple on. It's still pretty, but I was hoping for a lot more purple, especially against the turquoise. I don't know if I've said, my swipe colour is Amsterdam Turquoise Green, and I'm using my smaller art spatula today rather than my Big Bertha. See you later. Okay guys, back again. Here's the finished result. I like it, it's different. I love the bubbly cells. Not much colour in those cells on the outside in the turquoise green, but I think it's quite nice. It's different. I like it. As you can see, when I was saying about the purple, you can't see a lot of that gorgeous cobalt violet, but what's there, it's nice, it's pretty. And there's the bit that I was spending ages on with the saggy balloon, but I think that's quite pretty too. You can see the sangria and the copper playing nicely together a lot. I love that in the turquoise. I do like that turquoise for a swipe colour. I'm going to use that again. Not sure why I haven't used that more. It's been mixed up for ages and it's still working really well. Those are the bubbly cells. Sort of, yeah, I like it. Right, in the still photos I put on at the end, you'll see that it's a slightly different top and bottom because I had to give it another spin. Because when I often test the depth with the end of a skewer and it was too thick in that turquoise there, it would have cracked, so I had to give it another big hard spin. So you'll see it looks slightly different because it's off the ends, top and bottom, but other than that, that's all I did, just gave it another spin. Okay guys, please like, share and subscribe, really does help me out. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Stay safe. Bye.